सो हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम है रोहित चांना एंड दिस इज़ आवर सेकंड वीडियो। आपने लास्ट पार्ट में देखा होगा कि हमारी पल्सर 200 NS का इंजन एकदम डेड था, जिसमें से बहुत बेकार आवाज़ आ रही थी। और अब इंजन फाइनली रीबिल्ड हो चुका है, जिसमें न्यू क्रैंकशाफ्ट डला है और न्यू टाइमिंग चेन डली और न्यू ओवरसाइज पिस्टन डला है रीबोर के साथ।
I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this. I will not quit, man, I'm on it, honest. I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it, yeah.
I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watching. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spittin' hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat. Not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back. Don't react, no react. Think I'm black, off his neck. While I rap, not to snap. Ruin jam, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Yes and nah, that I'm right, yeah. Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? I really hate it, God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.